Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering two questions that you have left me. About problems with glow plugs or glow plugs. A person who has a car with a diesel engine and the tip of the heater or glow plug broke. I changed the heater, put a new one, and the one that was put in, after a while, came off by itself. He was scared by the noise it made. Logically, let's see. First, you have not written anything about the engine being damaged. You were lucky. Then, what you have written about it coming off on its own. Several factors can influence this. First, that removing the glow plug will damage the thread. I made a video. I will leave you the link on how to remove the glow plugs, preventing them from splitting in the butt, something that is quite common, for one of them to break. That's why I made that video. When you put the other new glow plug, if the thread inside the cylinder head was fine, because there it can happen that when tightening it I do not use the tightening torque, which is what it is for. Why think that the cylinder head, with the same temperature as the glow plug, expands twice as much, because the glow plug it is made of steel and the cylinder head is made of aluminum, so you have to respect that tightening torque. That is, do not go too far so as not to damage the thread, or fall short. It's okay because it could come off. You have to respect the tightening torque as I say. And another person writes that he has a problem with the heater. It is always in the same cylinder, the tips break. And he has already changed several. He has put another one less than a month ago and the tip has also broken, and he asks why this happens. Let's see. With this you have to be very careful, because a broken heater tip, moving inside a cylinder, can seriously damage the engine. Why do several tips always break in the same cylinder? Well, because there is a problem with one of the injectors, which is injecting the diesel directly, because the nozzle will have been deformed against the tip of the injector, and then, between the temperature reached by the tip of the heater or glow plug, plus the pressure of the diesel, because it ends up cutting it off. And as I said, the engine is at stake, because it can be seriously damaged. As I said, what you have to do is check that injector, because I already said that the problem it surely comes from there, because we have also seen this many times in the workshop. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.